Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how you can easily swap between two installations of Minecraft, specifically one for your multiplayer and one for your single player. A common issue is that single player mods tend to not work with multiplayer, which means if you have a heavily modded single player installation you cannot play multiplayer properly. For this reason I have two installations, as you can see on the right here. I have a .minecraft, which is the usual one, and this is my actual multiplayer. It only has zombie flying mod and too many items and HD texture packs. Then I have my single player one, which has the Yogbox, and if you want to know how to install the Yogbox, go to the video I linked in the comments or below the video, and I will show you exactly how to do it. So yeah, back to these two folders. I want to be able to easily swap these. Now I'm going to create a file. This is really not all that hard. If you have no idea how to do this kind of stuff, it might look hard, but it's basically just a couple of lines. So I want to create a file, single player, because it's currently a multiplayer. So I create a file called singleplayer.bat and I added this. Now the first thing you want to do is add this to the start, echo off, with a sign in front of it. This will ensure that the output window actually looks neat. It doesn't really do much else than that. Then this line is going to actually check if the current setup is already the single player setup. So what it does is it checks if Minecraft multiplayer exists, because when I'm in a single player setup, my non-active one will be named like this. So either MP for multiplayer or SP for single player. And if that's true, we're going to the label no action. Now we're going to add that label first, so it makes sense. So basically what this does is if this folder exists, it jumps to this label, so it skips everything in between. And in this one we're just going to put output, which will show up later, and we're going to tell it it's already in single player mode. Now when this is not true, it's actually going to go to the next line, and what we're going to do here is rename our current Minecraft folder to Minecraft MP. Then we're going to rename our current backup folder. I mistyped here, I see, multiple times. So the current single player folder to .minecraft. Actually notice you cannot even do this by hand, because Windows will not allow you to call a folder .minecraft. So to do this properly, you're going to have to do it something like this, or you have to copy paste folders and stuff. So it's just really tedious, and this will take a little time to set up, but you never have to look at it again. Now we're going to put an echo here, which is an output, and we're going to tell the output screen that Minecraft just switched to single player mode. And I missed a letter there. And then we're going to tell it to go to the end, which is another label. Now it jumps to the end. So I'm going to tell it here another output like click any key to close this window. Then we're going to run Minecraft. And my Minecraft is in this folder. So you do not want to copy this exactly unless you do that as well. If your Minecraft is on your C drive somewhere, then you'll have to take it from there. Basically how you can see that is if you select this file here, if you copy this name, then click here, at that dash, this is your file path, exactly this. Also, what you might have noticed, I lost the one I was working on, this one. I have my cheat sheet open as well, so. What you might have noticed, I used this app data. You might have run across this before if you set up any mods. This is basically what gets you to your programs folder with all the settings and stuff, where Minecraft is. You just type it in this bar and you click OK. Or you go to your run window, you type it in there and you click OK. You get here. So it's just a quick way to get to this folder. It saves me having to type like a really long thing. And then we're gonna pause this window so it actually stays open and tell it to start displaying stuff again. Now, it doesn't look all that hard. You can pretty much copy paste it. And I'm gonna close this down. And I'll pay close attention to this Minecraft-sp and .minecraft. I might have to reload this window though, because Windows doesn't really like it when you do it this way, to actually show it. So I'm gonna double click this and a window will open and my Minecraft will open. Switch Minecraft to single player mode, click any key to close this window. So I'm gonna press enter. And now you can see it shows up twice. That's because I've been renaming stuff, so I just right click somewhere and click renew, and it will actually be right. So now I click on this one and it actually has the Yogbox folders, and when I click on the Minecraft-mp, it has my multiplayer folders, and that's how easy it is. Now we're gonna quickly create one as well for multiplayer. So we're going to rename this multiplayer. Now we're going to edit this, and basically all you have to do is change multiplayer for single player. So MP to SP, MP to SP, SP to MP, and then here we type multiplayer, and we do the same here. That's it. And now if I click the multiplayer one, it opens up Minecraft again. We can close this window. And then we renew this. And you can see now my multiplayer folder is the current one. And my single player one is the backup one again. Now, you don't want these two ugly items on your desktop. So what you want to do, and this is my Dutch Windows, so this is not going to be too easy to see for everyone, but let me resize this a little bit. There we go. I'm going to click on multiplayer and I'm going to copy to desktop, make a link. Now I have this thing here. When I can rename this to Minecraft multiplayer, it still looks ugly. So if you right click it and go to settings, you have a tab which is a link or whatever it is in your language, and the middle button on the bottom says different icon. It gives an error because this file doesn't have icons, and it opens the standard one. Well, we don't want the standard one. We want to go to D, Minecraft, and then click this file. And then we can use this icon. And now it looks like Minecraft. Now we're going to do exactly the same with the other one. We're going to rename it to Minecraft single player. We're going to right click it, go to settings, different icon, browse, icon, and done. And to show you this actually works, I'll open up the multiplayer one, and you'll see it is basically just your standard one, and I have a couple of texture packs. Now I'm going to click the single player one. I get exactly the same thing. I log in, and you could very quickly see this was different. Well, it is. This is my single player one, so it works. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope it's useful to you. And if you want to see more of stuff I do, follow my channel and check out my other videos.